I am on my way to try and do a deal. It's a bit crazy deal, but that's how I like them. But the plan is to see if I can trade a book for a motorcycle. But let's see how it goes. Maybe I'm a good salesman, but the guy I'm trading with, he's even more a horse trader than I am. So let's see how it goes. Did I make it? Well, it came through. I traded a book for a motorcycle. MZ GS 150 from 82, Danish papers. Yeah. Okay. Let's be honest, I had to throw in an old lady's bicycle, but it's okay. But that's it for now. See you. So it's the following day. You're not getting any shots of me. I'm wearing my It's Okay to Get Dirty clothes, old worn out fleece. I don't have a barn fine fleece like Johnny Smith. But let's look at the bike instead. Um, I thought about it this time, so the height on the trailer is much better. But yeah, like I said earlier, it's an 82 model, and I think I've probably sold it on already to a colleague. Already regretting it, but that's what it's like to be a hoarder like me. But I just want to show you that I really think this is a low owner, low mileage bike. It's 40 years old, but it hasn't been on the road sorry since 2001. It has a Danish MOT in the year 2000. You need that when you change ownership. But and then I can see that it has been taken off the road a year later. Why I think it's a low mileage, low owner bike is, for instance, don't look at that. I got the keys, 2 keys for the glove box or whatever you call it. They are always missing. And this one is for the steering lock. I don't think I have ever gotten this with any other MZ that I have bought. It has a nice and visible chassis number, and it's got the plate here as well. Of course, you can see the year, but because as you all know, it can be built earlier than its registration date. Sorry about that. Oh, and it still has a, what do I say, that Phenomat tire, the original equipment East German tire. It still has that on the front, and it has a very unused Pirelli tire. Sorry, on the rear. So I'm guessing that about around the time of the MOT in the year 2000, it probably got that new rear tire. So what does it say? I don't know if it's correct, but that sure is low. Of course, it got some surface rust, but just looking at the controls and especially the frame, and it just looks really, really clean. Of course, you got the normal spilling, but also here the frame looks really nice. So yeah, nice original bike. Shame about the forks with the rust and especially here, but it happens so fast. So naturally it has been standing at some time, but yeah, it's supposed to be a runner, but I haven't tried it yet. I think I'll let that be up to the colleague. So yeah, well, you can't keep them all, and since my colleague got no bike and I got, including mopeds, around 20, I guess the cool option is to let him have it and try to involve him in the happy life of owning a classic motorcycle. So yeah, but I'm guessing that's it for now. So I think that's a fairly decent trade-off for a book and an old lady's bicycle. But I really wanted to go to a good home. It was last registered on Sjælland, which is naturally also in Denmark, but quite a long way in Danish standards from here. But I know it came from a dealer, sort of a dealer in the northern part of Jutland, and then he made a kind of a trade with the guy that I jokingly called a horse trader. I know him very well, so he can take it. But that also, and it hasn't been registered since it was on Sjælland. But the keyring from the Opel dealer here is from the northern part of Denmark, so that corresponds with where I know that it was one time for sale. But yeah, so and another, I guess, good reason for selling it is that I can probably put one or two together from a huge part of the parts I have laying around. So from time to time I collect frames, and then if I get the time, why not put them together to a bike? Of course, it won't have such a nice originality as this, but it's a way of getting another MZ on the road. So yeah, enough waffling. See you another time.